Day 43, Math with Grandma. Glad you're all here. More M&M's math. And they colored this one like the peanut M&M bag, so that's what I got for this book. But it doesn't really matter. Any group of colored candies or colored things would work. More M&M math. This is by Barbara McGrath, illustrated by Roger Glass. Colorful candies will be our counting tool. Shake them out of the bag, then follow the rules. All right. Open my bag of candy. Shake. They all rolled down to the bottom of the screen. That's because they're peanut M&Ms and they don't have a flat side. But I have all my colored M&Ms out there. Let's see what I'm going to do with them. Take a quick glance at the total amount. Remember when we did estimating? How many do you think there are? Yellow M&M says 49. Well, there are fewer peanut M&Ms in a bag than regular M&Ms. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I have 20 M&Ms. You get more regular M&Ms than you do peanut M&Ms. Now sort the colors. How many groups did you get? We'll use them to count, so don't eat them yet. All right, I have blue M&Ms. And I have some red M&Ms. And one just went rolling away out of my red M&M pile. Come back. I have some orange M&Ms. I only got one yellow. And some browns. And some greens. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. They have 6 colors too. We're going to make a graph. So you can take a piece of paper or you can just make a graph with the candies. Let's make a graph. We'll place all the candies. For solving math problems, a graph comes in handy. In the row that reads red, place all the reds from the pile. Put one in each box. That might take a while. So I will stack my candies in rows. 1, 2. Or they might go sideways rows. I may have a sideways bar graph instead of a tall bar graph. I have 4 reds, 3 browns, 1 yellow, 3 greens, 3 oranges, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 blues. So I have 1 yellow, 3 oranges, 3 browns, 3 greens, 4 reds, 6 blues. 6 plus 4 is 10. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9, plus 1 more is 10. So that is the whole package of 20 M&Ms. And I made a graph. If you use regular M&Ms or Skittles, you would have more because they come more in bag. Reds and oranges and browns and blues and greens and yellows. A graph makes it an easy visual to see which we have the most of. I have more blues. And every package will come out differently. It's by weight. You get a different group each time. So you can count the 6 rows. Some are short, some are tall. How many rows are equal? You make the call. Grandma has 3 equal rows. Orange, brown, and green all have 3. So that's my equal row. Write down the total and see in each row, and let's see if your guess was high or low. They had 10 plus 6 plus 16, 5 plus 12 plus 6. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 and 16 are 32. Plus 5 is 37. Plus 12 is 49. Plus 6 more is 55. Yellow M&M guessed there were 49 in the back. He was pretty close, minus the green. Only 6 more. That's a pretty good estimate. That's a good guess. And here are all those numbers. 10 plus 6 plus 16 plus 5 plus 12 plus 6 equals 55. Remember, this is my ones column. So I could add up all the ones first. 6 plus 6 is 12. Plus 5 is 17. Plus 2 more is 19. Plus 6 is 25. And I write down the 5 and carry the 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus 1 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. 55. Was that a number you reached more or less than you thought? Take the difference from the larger. That's the difference you've got. 55 minus 49 is 6. It just happened to be their row of green. You work very hard, so it's time for a treat. Eat one of each color. That's 6 you can eat. Grandma eats one of her 6 now. I won't have any yellows to play with. Push the candy together. Use these words as a guide. Next, we'll learn to multiply and divide. It'll be easy to divide by 2. Let's do this. 1 for me and 1 for you. So I'm going to make half piles, and they all rolled away. In this case, because I only have 20, it's easier to divide. But when I have bigger numbers, it's like sorting cards when we deal out the cards. You get 1, I get 1. You get 1, I get 1. And you keep going 1, 1. And then, like when we're doing cards, we go 1, 1, 2, 2. You guys stay up there. 3, 3. 4, 4. 5, 5. 6, 6. 7, 7. 8, 8. 9, 9. 10, 10. So if there's only 2 of you, you could do it that way. If you have a bigger family, you could do 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2 for 3 people, or so on. So we each have half of the bag of M&Ms now. 1 for me, 1 for you. That's called division. We divided them up. I could make 2 equal piles in this case. If I'd eaten 6, then we wouldn't have gotten nearly as many. And if it's unequal, then we could have put 1 in the center. A lot of times when you divide, things are unequal. In the case of 55 or 49, when you divide 49 into 2 equal piles, 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 4 is 8. I have 1 left over. Who's going to get to eat the extra M&M? I could then split the 2 groups into 4 equal piles. And that's pretty easy, because 20 is a number that can be divided by 4. I can put 5 in each group, or more, depending on how many M&Ms there are. If there were 40 M&Ms, I could put 10 in each row. I didn't have 40. I only had 20. So we only got 5 in each pile instead of 10. 4 divided by 4 is 10, or 10 times 4 is 40. I can do it either way. 10 times 2 is 20, which is what Grandma has. I could make it into 2 equal piles, because 20 divides by 2. And I would have 10 equal piles of 2, because 10 times 2 is 20. Two times 10 is 20. 4 times 5 is 20. I can make equal groups. 8 times 5 is 40. Because 5 groups of 8, remember, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. You can figure it out that way too. What are my 5 groups of 4? Here are my 20. I made 4 equal groups. 5, 10, 15, 20. I stopped at 4. So 4 times 5 is 20. Five, 10, 15, 20. 5 groups of 4. Take one of each color, put them in a short line, start with your favorite. You're doing just fine. Grandma's not going to eat any yet because I won't have enough to play with. The red set aside, and for now do not use. Let's divide them to share if you choose. For the 6 that remain, slowly follow each word. Eat the 4th first, the 5th second, the 3rd last. Okay, so I'm going to have a red one, an orange one, a brown one, a blue one, a yellow one, only have one of those, and a green one. Oh, stay over there. And in order, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. So, eat the 4th one first. So which one is number 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. The blue one is the 4th one. Eat that one first. Oh, that's a pretty good one. Eat the 5th one second. I'm going to eat my only yellow. It's pretty tasty too. And eat the 3rd one third. Can you follow the rules? Now it doesn't matter. You can eat them any way you want. I'm going to wait for later. In case I need some more. The 2nd goes 4th. Its time has now passed. The 6th will be 5th, and the 1st will be last. So you can eat them all. Congratulations. Great job. You're on the right path. You followed directions and had fun with math. We did graphing and division and subtraction and ordinal numbers. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th. More M&M math.